Once upon a time, in a bustling village surrounded by lush green fields and picturesque landscapes, there lived a young man named Samir. He was known for his wisdom and gentle demeanor. People from all walks of life would come to seek his advice, and he would listen attentively, offering thoughtful responses that left them inspired and enlightened. Samir's wisdom stemmed from his ability to embrace the power of silence. He understood that words could either build bridges or burn them down, and so he practiced the art of silence diligently. In conversations, he would listen with unwavering focus, allowing the other person to express themselves fully without any interruption. In silence, he found the true essence of communication, a connection that went beyond words. One day, a powerful king from a neighboring kingdom heard about Samir's reputation for wisdom and decided to put it to the test. He was facing a difficult problem and wanted to see if Samir could provide a solution. The king disguised himself as a commoner and made his way to the village. When the king met Samir, he was impressed by his simplicity and humility. Without revealing his true identity, the king presented his problem to Samir, expecting an immediate answer. However, to his surprise, Samir remained silent for a few moments, gathering his thoughts and understanding the situation deeply. Finally, Samir spoke gently but firmly. "Your Majesty, I sense the weight of your burden, but hasty decisions can lead to dire consequences. Take some time to reflect on your choices and their potential impact. In the stillness of your heart, you shall find the answer you seek." The disguised king was taken aback by Samir's response. He had expected an immediate solution, but Samir's words planted a seed of contemplation within him. As he left the village, the king pondered Samir's advice and realized the depth of wisdom in his words. Back in his palace, the king followed Samir's counsel. He spent days in solitude, reflecting on the problem and considering various perspectives. In the process, he discovered a creative solution that not only solved the issue at hand, but also brought about positive changes in his kingdom. Intrigued by the impact of Samir's silence, the king decided to visit him again, this time revealing his true identity. He expressed his gratitude and admiration for Samir's wisdom, explaining how his silence had guided him to a transformative solution. Samir smiled warmly. "Your Majesty, silence is not about the absence of words. It is about the presence of understanding. It allows us to truly connect with others and ourselves, paving the way for clarity and thoughtful action." From that day forward, the king sought Samir's counsel openly, and their bond grew stronger. The village also became renowned for the wisdom it harbored in the form of Samir, the man who taught the world the power of being silent. The tale of Samir spread far and wide, inspiring people to embrace the virtue of silence in their own lives. It taught them to listen attentively, to empathize deeply, and to find the answers they sought within the depths of their hearts. And so the power of being silent became a timeless lesson passed down from generation to generation, reminding all who heard the story that sometimes silence can be the most powerful voice of all.